Welcome back, everyone. As you can see, I found one. I think it was the last one that they had in my local hobby store, and it was still on a sale price, $449.99. Can't beat that for a ready to run 8S, which costs you about $800, $900. So I bought it. I'm going to take it out. This vehicle has been out for quite a long time. Right now, Horizon Hobby and Arrma have put this in a position where it says out of stock and unavailable on their website. So I am guessing that means it is being discontinued and something else should be coming up here next year, I hope. I'm going to take it out of the box and I'm going to put it on the table and show you when we're going to talk about it, all right? All right, it's the standard stuff what you get in the box. You get the DX3 controller. Again, it has a Spectrum technology for battery level. I'm going to keep the EC5s on there. I'm not going to change them out to my XT150s yet. Depending on how it works out, it does feel nice, just like the regular controls. I can steer with one hand without a paddle on it, so it feels nice. You give it some body mounts, some clips here. Yeah, I did break it open. Oh, and I did modify the truck a little bit. I was waiting because I want to take it out for a run once I get it open. 24 millimeter wheel nut for the hexes on the side. 24 millimeter hexes. You get some stickers. Love them stickers. You get the technical pack. The technical pack tells you everything you need to know about the vehicle. Again, it gives you an exploded view of the vehicle. And I am guessing that since it's being discontinued, that you'll still be able to get the parts. I'm pretty sure of that. Most of the parts on here are basically like the Creighton 8S and the Ready to Run 8S Creighton. So, and the EXB. So, if they continue the EXB model, I'll still be able to get parts for it. Just beef it up a little bit with the EXB parts. And you get the instructor manual, right? If anybody's planning on getting one of these big behemoth machine, you might want to read the manual. I'll say it again. You might want to read the manual. When I was sitting here, I got kind of nervous. Like, if I'm taking it out, I'll take it off a small hill. I don't want to damage it. So I went on ahead and put shoe glue and drywall paper on it. So it's still curing, still a little, it's not wet, but yeah, it's a decent job. And then you get the Outcast Ready to Run itself. All right. You got the 1250 kV motor. You got the Arrma 160 amp ESC. You got 2 battery trays. You got the braces on them. I'm going to replace these braces with aluminum ones, or aluminum braces for the clips here. On all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna replace those here pretty soon. They have a tendency of breaking off. I've seen videos where those broke off, and it's not really safe to drive the vehicle with it broken off. So that's what I'm planning on doing. Other than that, there's nothing else. That's the bottom of the chassis, all painted up, looking real nice and pretty. And it is not a light machine, guys. I'm gonna tell you that right now. This is about 24, 25 pounds of raw power here. So yeah, that's it. No sway bars, but you got some beefy suspension arms, beefy drive shaft, left, right, rear, center drive shaft. Are pretty beefy themselves too. So this is not like a true full unboxing. I'm just showing you what my newest addition to the fleet, Arrma Outcast 8S. Now I'm about to charge up some batteries and take her out for a rip. Powerful servo on the grass. tires, isn't it? Take her out in the back 40 for a few minutes. Excuse the wind noise. All this is still stock out the box, guys. No, haven't done anything to it. And I am using those new batteries I got, 8200 milliamp Huvus 120C. Yeah, we're not doing anything crazy with her. Just trying to get a feel for her. And the steering is responsive. I haven't touched any punch settings or anything like that. Haven't checked out the diffs. All thing I did was pre-check on it, tighten up some of the screws that might have been loose, and check to make sure that the shocks were still in there good. Yeah, for a big machine, she's moving though, ain't she? That's full throttle right there. No, we ain't hitting that. We ain't hitting this hill full throttle. I kept wondering whether this back here was big enough for this machine or something this size, and it is, so I don't have to worry about finding some kind of park or some place to run her. No corrections there. She's running real nice. And she's very quiet to be a big machine. Oh yeah, now come on now. We ain't trying to do anything crazy here. Oh my goodness. I just want to know why they're discontinuing this. Was it not that popular? Has the EXB kind of beat it out since this came out? I think it's a nice machine. You know, you got to realize if it's a BLX, it's not designed, well, it's a basher, but it's not like the EXB, guys. You have to beef this thing up if you want to send it to the moon more than 15 feet in the air. Don't try that launcher when I do hit it with Big Betty, Big Brown Bertha. I'm not gonna launch it that high. I don't even know if Big Brown Bertha's wide enough for her. Jesus, she is a wide machine. But you gotta realize, something this big, going as fast as it's going right now on grass. Come on. Oh, Jesus, woo. I'm glad I didn't have to do any corrections. I wasn't really trying to do that. It just happened. Yeah. It's just a quick run, guys. Don't have to do too much correction if you don't send it too high, which is what I like. So again, the steering is really responsive. Ooh, 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 I did not, oh, I don't know why I did that. Oh, Jesus. This is a big machine to be doing that. Character, Al. She's like, I got your character for you, buddy. Oh, Jesus. Let's see if we can do that again. Deceptive as far as the speed she has. Don't let her fool you. All right, that's enough of that for you. Oh, I'm trying to get it wheelie. Like I said again, she's very deceptive right there. Try to keep you guys out of the sun. I know it's the clarity changes, light, no light. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, I'm going to have to cut this short here. Like I said again, it's starting to be fall now, and you know how that is. So on that note, hit the like button, leave comments. Guys, hit the like button for me. I really do appreciate it. Hit the notification bell if you want to see more, and subscribe. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, everyone. It helps my channel out. Hit the like button as well. And once you hit the subscribe button, help me grow my content. Let me know what you think about my content. If you don't like it, tell me why you don't like it. If you like it, we're awesome. Thumbs up for you. Uno mas, one more time. Hit the like button, leave comments, hit the notification bell if you want to see more, and subscribe. Me and the Outcast 8S, we're out. Come back here, girl. Pose for everybody. All right, we're done.